another hot day. We had a record high in Colorado Springs up to 97 degrees, breaking the old record of 96 set back in 1969. In Pueblo today, triple digits once again up to 101. The record is still safe, standing at 104. So we still have a heat advisory in place for just over another hour. Any spot here in orange is where we have the highest risk of heat-related illness, especially because we've been so warm this week. We've had several days in the 90s and triple digits. This heat can definitely take a toll on your body, so it's best to stay inside in the air conditioning if you can. And if you're outside exposed to the sun and the heat, make sure you're taking breaks in the shade and drinking plenty of water. We're still pretty toasty out in the eastern plains, especially along the Arkansas River. Our temperatures are solid into the 90s for I-25 up to Canyon City. And by the way, Alamosa also had a record high today, reaching 91 degrees. The previous record was 88. Then on the other side of the state into the higher elevations, yes, it's warm, but it's also dry, gusty, and we have dry vegetation. So fire danger has been high the past couple days. We have a red flag warning in place until 8 o'clock this evening. We're likely to have another round of red flag warnings in the mountains tomorrow. But here in the plains, we're going to start to see some changes. A cold front will arrive tonight and hang out in our region early tomorrow morning. This cold front will provide us with a significant cool down in the plains this weekend, but unfortunately it also provides us with energy, lift, and moisture to fuel thunderstorms. And the thunderstorm risk tomorrow is looking to be pretty intense. We'll likely have several severe thunderstorm warnings, and especially in this yellow zone here covering portions of I-25 and the plains, we could see some large hail. So hail is our highest risk on Saturday. We could see golf ball and lime-sized hailstones with the storms. Our tornado risk is not zero, so we'll be watching that very carefully. Also, strong wind gusts and flooding will be a threat with the storms tomorrow. So let's go through that futurecast. Early afternoon, very typical timing. Looks like those storms will spark up in the Pikes Peak region and the Palmer Divide region. So about 1 o'clock, we'll see those storms sparking up. They'll be possible here from Colorado Springs to Monument, eastern El Paso County between about 1 to 6 o'clock. Some storms will be possible in Pueblo County as well. While the storms will be pretty isolated, not everybody is going to see it. The storms will likely be pretty intense. I think I-25 should be clear by about dinner time as those storms will continue to move eastward through the plains. Strong thunderstorms moving through our eastern plains through the evening, taking a bit of a dip towards the south and east and starting to clear out of our area between about 10 to midnight. So temperatures, they will fall. That will be the nice side of this cold front. 40s, 50s, and 60s tonight. Saturday highs in the 80s and 90s, no triple digits. And Sunday even cooler than that with 70s and 80s. Sunday could also bring a chance of some afternoon storms. They'll more so favor I-25 in the mountains versus on Saturday they're going to favor the plains. And Monday, if that's your first day of school, it should be a nice day, a little cooler as well, but there's still a chance of a thunderstorm that would favor after school hours. Temperatures start to climb back up next week. Wednesday and Thursday, we're back to the 90s in the Springs. In Pueblo, 90s tomorrow and that risk of a strong thunderstorm. Chance of storms again on Sunday. Then we're drying out next week. We're also heating back up with 90s on the board as soon as Tuesday. Canyon City cooling off to the 80s for Sunday and Monday. You got that thunderstorm chance on Saturday and Sunday. It's not a guarantee. They'll be pretty hit or miss for you. For Woodland Park, we'll have more thunderstorm chances in general. Temperatures will stay in the 70s through Tuesday of next week.